Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So another one here in Playa Del Ingles, Las Palmas. And the new viewing point here along the Promenade. Exceptional views of that beautiful coastline. So this is not too old, guys. This is only new. Beautiful viewing area. Howdy, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we're still in Playa del Ingles. Hopefully we're going to be here for another bit longer. But what we're going to do is we're up on the Promenade. It's a pretty, very popular walking spot, if you want to call it that, because you can walk here, you can listen to the waves, and there's just people kind of back and forth and stuff like that, you know. So it's about 6:30 in the evening. Not too sure how warm it is up here now. It's about probably 29, 30 degrees. But what we'll do is we'll walk along the Promenade down to an area called the Tropical. Alright, so yeah, let's go.
Listen,
Yeah. 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 Habrá, llevar al día de mañana, porque tú y yo disfrutaremos del robot móvil.
Así no es vida, se lo digo ya.
Tontería. Ya disfrutaremos nosotros de...
Oh, correction there, guys. It's not 6:30, it's 6:15, and it's not 29 degrees. It's 31 degrees. Not bad for 6:15 in the evening. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. It's one of the first things I do when I get to this island, is go down just to have a look at that view. But we've seen these trees grow a bit. There was a time you could see all the way up that coast. But you can't help nature. And it's not nice to stop it. But I think as soon as we get around this patch of trees, I think we have our view back. And there we go. Looking towards San Agustin and Baia Feliz. That's these them destinations down there. San Agustin is just the first sort of area, and then it sort of goes down that sort of cornerish area down there, the Baia Feliz.
No trochę jest, zobacz.
Priceless, that view, isn't it? So you got many access to the beach, but like this one, it's a staircase all the way down. I wonder if the waves coming through the audio. I am using a good mic, so hopefully it is picking it up, because it's beautiful. Beautiful sound. This walk, this heat. You know, you can just stick this video on any time of the year, put the volume up, and then just listen to it. Just go about your business in the house and just listen to those waves. It's 29 degrees down here. I suppose can't stay 30 all day. Just before we cut in off the coast, guys, I'm just going to turn around and give you one last sort of glimpse of what I'm looking at here.
Quiero puta porque sufrir cómo ha avanzado y esta puta tercera familia le da la zona y no me debe sufrir.
So this here is the Tropical Centre. You get shopping, restaurants, and if I don't stop talking, lots of copyright, so I'm just going to talk about nothing for about the next 30 seconds until I get up to the corner here, so hopefully you can't hear that music that's going on in the background, because it would be the first homework I'd have to do on the editing just to get rid of it. So if I talk and talk and talk, it will disguise the music in the background, and yeah, so hopefully that worked. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully you understand. See, at this the front of Tropical, and you see the fun grub. I don't know what why these videos are making themselves online, but those fun grubs I did speak about in a previous video. They are pretty common over here for a lot of duty free. It's a lot of like perfumes and runners and sunglasses and stuff like that. My flip-flops are starting to squeak, guys, so that means that's telling me now that it's I'm sweating, absolutely sweating. And the squeaky flip-flop is a sure sign giveaway there. But
Me la rellenó Juan Manuel.
I just thought I'd bring you to this corner here. One of the main accessible ways in and out of Playa Del Ingles, and then looking down at the beautiful Corona Roca. Well guys, what do you reckon there? That walk along the promenade, it's quite fun actually. Only that I'm withering away here, the sweat. But yeah, look at, there's plenty more walks where they came from, guys. Plenty more tours. By myself and James and Louis as well. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying these, guys. And if you are new to the channel, hello and how's it going? Where are you? Like, you know, you a lot of catching up to do. But if you are new, please, either that corner or this corner, whereabouts is on the screen, should be there about now. If you can just jump on board, subscribe, guys. It is free. It's free for you. Nothing, no costs. And it means so much to us. You know, I really appreciate everybody who has done it so far. And if you are new, like, you know, I don't push subscription on anybody at the start of videos. I always sort of leave it to the end, and I feel like if you're still watching the video 15, 16, 20 minutes later, you know, hit that subscribe button, please. Anyway, yeah guys, until next time, we'll pick another route around the streets of Gran Canaria here, and yeah, I'm sure we'll see you then. Alright, until next time, guys. Adios, peace, slán leat.